This was a fun little project. We converted this toddler bike into a unicycle. There was a few points along the journey that we thought it might not work out, so the documentation is a little sparse. So we figure we'll just jump through it real quick here and show some of the steps. The very small crank arm and the large sprocket on the drive shaft were a problem, so we decided to flip the gear ratio by taking some sprockets from an old 10-speed bike and welding them onto the existing sprockets to reverse the gear ratio so that we had a little bit more mechanical advantage while riding the unicycle. After our initial modifications, we realized that the pedals being out of alignment between the seat and the drive wheel was a problem. So we ended up cutting the frame in half and re-welding it back together so that they were all in alignment. The final step was to add a pole to extend the seat height. I used the handle of an old lawnmower handle. It just happened to be the right diameters. And with that, we're ready to ride. More or less.